Tired of looking like every other Steve or Alex in Minecraft? Let's get you a fresh new skin on your Android device, quick and easy. First, head over to the Google Play Store and search for Minecraft Skin Editor. Choose any skin editor app that you like. Many are free and tap install. We are going to use Skinseed. Once installed, open up your new skin editor app. You'll be greeted with a variety of options, from creating your own skin to browsing pre-made ones. Feel free to explore and find a skin that you love. Once you find one, tap on it. Now tap on the download or save button. This will save the skin image to your phone's gallery. Next, open up the Minecraft Pocket Edition app on your Android device. Now tap Profile, and then Edit Character. In the Character Creator, navigate to the second tab that looks like a silhouette. Then go to Own Skins, and select Import. Tap Choose New Skin and select the skin image you downloaded from your gallery. And there you have it. Your Minecraft character is now sporting a brand new skin. Enjoy playing with your unique look.